our 3-section combination cocktail station. First off, the overall dimensions. With a combined length of 54 inches wide, a depth of 22.5 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. Depth and height applies for each of the 3 units combined. Individually, measurements for the ice bin with the bottles holder, we have 30 inches in length. For the sink, 12 inches. And the 4-section cups and bottles holder, we have also 12 inches. Coming here for the ice bin and bottles holder, included will be dual slide doors on the top, along with 2 different buckets for storage. Each bucket will slide into the top of the ice bin, left and right, and can be intertwined for use. Each bucket will measure 16 inches in depth, 5.5 inches in length, and a height of 5 inches. Measurements for the interior ice bin, we have 27.5 inches in length, 14.5 inches in depth, and 12 inches in height. Drained beneath the ice bin. Below will be the separate compartment to store your cups, mugs, and bottles. This area will measure 30 inches in length, 4 inches in depth, and a height of 6 inches towards the top of the bracket. For the middle section and the sink, we have a measurement of 10 inches length, 14 inches in depth, and 7 inches in height. Measurements apply for the interior sink. Included will be the strainer, along with the swivel head faucet. Faucet will measure 6 inches length for the spout, with the left and right mounts measuring 4 inches. Coming to the front will be a compartment to store your paper towels that will be placed in here and will feed through from the top. Coming to the last row will be the 4-section cups and bottles and mugs holder, with the measurements for each section measuring 12 inches in length, 5.25 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 4 sections from the front lowest to the highest towards the back. Each section will have the NSF stickers and is Health Department approved. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.